Are you struggling to lose weight and not seeing any results despite following a healthy diet and exercise routine? These days, fast weight loss can be a difficult challenge. But what if I told you there was a way to shed pounds fast and still enjoy a glass of wine with your favorite meal? If this sounds good to you, well then stick around, because I'm going to share with you a natural bedtime weight loss drink that will help you reduce your appetite while helping your body burn more fat. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Many of us struggle to lose weight, especially around the belly area. And if you have too much weight around the belly area, there is a much higher risk of having high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and dementia. Recent studies show significant amounts of belly fat are linked to breast and colon cancer. And if you have this problem, it may be time to start changing your diet or routine. The main goal here is to try including healthy, nutritious foods that can help you lose excess weight. The following recipe I'm going to share with you is a potent drink that is great for enhancing your health and weight loss. This drink will allow your body to flush out toxins and fat deposits by speeding up your metabolism. And if you do this daily and stay consistent, you'll find that your belly fat will be reduced in a noticeable manner in 1 to 2 weeks. For this, you're going to need 1 cucumber, including the skin, 2 apples without the peel, 1½ limes or 1 lemon, also without the peel, and 1 inch of grated ginger, plus 2 tablespoons of parsley or cilantro, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, and finally 4 to 5 ounces of spring water. And all you need to do is add all of these ingredients to a blender. But make sure you leave the peel on the cucumber. This is important as it contains the most fiber. Then blend it up until you get a fine mixture and drink it every night before you go to bed. You can strain this to remove the pulp and fibers. However, it does work better if you leave them in. If you are suffering from a bloated stomach that's caused by water retention, this drink will work wonders to help flush out the excess water weight. Now, keep in mind that this recipe will make you go to the bathroom a lot more than you normally would go. And this is because of all the fiber that's in the recipe. But this is a good sign, because most likely when you're having a bowel movement 2 to 3 times a day, this is good for weight loss and flushing out all the toxins. Another added benefit with this recipe is it will help boost your immune system, making you more resistant to infections. You may also notice that you might remember things better, as this recipe will also help boost your overall brain function. Drinking this will help as well with cholesterol and plaque buildup in your arteries. Not only is it good for your overall heart health, but it's great for improving your vision as well. This is due to the anti-inflammatory effects of the drink. And one of the last health benefits is it's also great in aiding in anti-aging. This is because it's loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols, which have anti-aging effects. It'll also help improve your skin's overall radiance. For best results, make sure you make this juice fresh every single night before you drink it. Okay, well, that's all I got for you today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. But before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. And yes, you probably guessed it right. If you haven't got your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment, head on over to our blog and get your free copy. And if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us keep the lights on. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and tick that bell notification so you can get notified when I release a video. I am uploading videos weekly. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care and God bless. And also, if you missed any of our latest videos, you can check 2 of them out right over here on your right hand side.